Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you again for joining me on another video. I've gotten my shifter cable, as you can see from the last video where my shifter cable has been broken. So I ordered one and I got it back right now. So I'm attempting to do the job myself, which is take it out and replacing with a new one. It's a challenging job, but hopefully I can get it done, and hopefully I can help someone who probably thinking of undertaking the same thing for themselves. Alright guys, so let's do this. Alright guys, so as you can see, I started pulling up the dash already, the under section here. A lot of little challenges, like there's two bolts under there that hold on a plate that holds the cable. That was a bit hard to get to, but eventually I got them pulled. Already removed the shifter, unbolt it and remove it. Anyway, I get those two bolts released from the plate. Now there's also a hook underneath this module here that needs to unhook before you can pull the cable through. And for some reason I have a tool, a star tool that pulls that, but up to now I can't pull it. It's round up the tool itself. So apparently the tool is not good. I didn't fit properly, but I can't get it pull, guys. That's not the hardest part of it. I'm going to show you something else in the engine bay. So there are another plate that's here, like a guard, if you can hear it. It also had bolt up on the same plate that holds the cable together. Right, there's a bracket down there. I don't know if I can show you. Let me see. So this bracket here, right, also holds this plate and holds the cables under there. So I get them released, pull those nuts and release this. So basically now you should be able to pull the cable through. But no, you have to get this bracket off from outside here. You have to get this bracket off, and I'm trying to get this bracket off from a while now and I can't. But yes, that bracket has to come off, leg off of the cables them, so that cable can pull through back that hole there. Yeah, so far guys, I've done a lot of pulling already, but there's a lot more to go. I mean, there's a bolt here that needs to release the plate that holds there's another little plate, hook plate, that holds the cables, right? I need to get that pull and come out. And in order for that to come out, guys, I have to pull these bolts that hold this module, right? And when get those release, lift the module up, pull this, right? And then as I told you before, I pull those two bolts under there on the plate already. Once I do that from the inside, you know, I actually pull these already, this module here, this computer box. I pull the bolt, the nut here, here, and here. And on the other side, I also do that on the two bolts here. So basically, I can kind of ease this module up and ease it out a little bit while I'm pulling the cable through. However, the cable can't start pulling through until I get those bolts. Get that module up, get that bolt out, and then in the engine bay, get those two nut pull. That the plate can freely come through the hole. Well, I am kind of buck on this right now. I'm gonna just rest it. Hopefully I can get a proper tool, guys, that I can use to pull that. Another early morning on it again, guys. Started to see some light. Seems to get in the cable release. So just bear with me. I will have it come out. But yeah guys, this is all the challenge that you will have pulling out your cable from your Toyota Celica 7th gen. guys, so the installing of the cable is basically the reverse of how you take it out. Alright, which is basically lifting up all these modules and prising up and send back the cable the same direction that you get it from, and you'll have it back in place. Yes guys, all done. Cables are bolted up properly, shifting very nicely, so I'm happy, and right now just about to go and do some testing. Okay guys, so it's all done. Everything is buttoned up, screwed up, fixed up, and it's all good again. Alright, cable shifter is working perfectly, and I'm enjoying my car again. Yeah, so let's go for a drive.